Good morning, guys. Hope you are healthy and fine. Some sort of the people I had met in West Bengal that are doing really some boring business and doing some great PAT, that is profit after tax, and all the money comes to sales and service, that is 35%, and everything is going from gas. Some sort of non-fashion business and health that is growing almost 30-35%, and you are getting the PAT, which is more essential for growing your business. Uh, Marking above the line that like all, especially in the metro city Kolkata, that is tier 2 city, and it's growing. Their allied state like Bihar. Common factor that I had realized that the high rise are growing fasterly in West Bengal, especially in urban metro locations. And one of the best thing that the quality of GDP, PPP, and the expense by earning ratio, that is 1.2. Basic to the fundamentals, some of the good institutions like IIT Kharagpur, Jadavpur University, IIM Calcutta, and rest of the university like Durgapur, they all had emerged as an incubation center, and West Bengal government had also supported the startup accelerator mode. One of the best thing that favorable things about that, there is a wide expansion of industrialization via SME and MSME. All the hardcore manufacturers like coal, thermal, solar, and some sort of management schools or institutions are act as incubator programs or incubation center. And rest of more inside, we are building and leveraging the data for a digital infrastructures like health tech, ERP, healthcare, SME, and EdTech evolutions of the MSME and SME, and amount of convenience and amount of service that SAM market, service addressable market, is more efficient. ASI is super leverageable and marking the words that we have a population of 1.5 billion, and their data, quant, prompt, ERP, and their D2C disruptions, concurrent trend, B2B and B2C, the leveraging opportunity. It's all come from data, and this is the best time to leverage it. I don't know how many people are. More inside, we are building and leveraging the data for a digital infrastructures like health tech, ERP, healthcare, SME, and EdTech evolutions of the MSME and SME, and amount of convenience and amount of service that SAM market, service addressable market, is more efficient.